Hello friends, welcome. I'm doing class 7 NCRT exercise 1.1 from integers. Okay. We have already done for till question number 7. We are doing question number 8 in this video. Okay. So now let us come to question number 8. It is already given an equation and I need to verify this equation with the given values of a and b. So first I will write LHS. What is LHS? Left hand side. So what is the left hand side here? A minus of minus b. I will find it out. So what is it equal to 221 minus of minus 18. So that is 21 plus 18. Okay. So that is equal to 39. What about RHS? What is the value of RHS? RHS is A plus B. So that is equal to 21 plus 18. That is equal to 39. So I get LHS is equal to RHS and I can write hence verified. Okay. Coming to next question for this. Again I will write what is LHS. LHS equal to A minus of minus B. So that is equal to 118 minus of minus 125. That is equal to 118 plus 125. So that is equal to 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 5, 243. Okay. Next. RHS. RHS is equal to A plus B. That is equal to 118 plus 125. That is equal to 243. Again write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Okay. Next question number 9. Here we need to find which is greater and which is lesser or equal to. Right? That's what the question says. So minus 8, I am just solving it like this. Minus 8 minus 4. That is equal to how much? Minus 12. Whereas minus 8 minus minus plus 4. How much is it? It is minus 4. So what will be the sign here? Which is lesser or greater? Minus 12 is lesser than minus 4. So less than sign. Coming here, minus 3 plus 7 minus 17, minus 19, sorry. So minus 3 minus 19 plus 7 I will find out. So this is minus 22 plus 7, which is equal to minus 15. Right? Here what I have? 15 minus 8 minus 9. So I have 15 minus 9 8 17. So this is equal to minus 2. So what will be the sign here? Less than. Next. This question 23. Bring all the positive numbers one side and negative numbers other side. 23 plus 11 is 34 minus 41. So that is minus 7. And what about here? I have 23 minus 52. So here the value is minus 29. Yes. So which is smaller? 29 is smaller. So greater than sign. D. So what is 39 minus 24 minus 15? So how much is it? 39. It is 39 minus 39. which is equal to 0. This is 36 minus 52 plus 36, which is 72 minus 52. This will be some positive value greater than 0, right? So if I this is equal to 20, which is greater, so greater than sign. And next we have here minus 231 plus 12 130, so that is minus 101, and here I have minus 399 plus 240. So that is equal to 9 minus 9, 4, 5, 159. So this is smaller, so it is greater than sign. Okay, so this is how you will solve this question. Thank you. And then coming to the last question. Question 10 states a water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. He jumps 3 steps down and jumps back 2 steps. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? That's the first question. Second question is, after drinking water, he wants to go back for this. He jumps 4 steps up and then jumps down back 2 steps down. In every move, how many jumps will he reach back to the top step? And the third part of the question is, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative and the number of steps moved up is represented by positive, represent the moves in parts like 1 and 2 by completing the following. So minus 3 plus 2 it will go, and 4 minus 2 in this way it will go. Okay, so we saw that the monkey is climbing down the stairs. So there are totally 9 steps are there. So he climbs down 3 steps and then he moves back 2 steps. That is how he is going to climb down. Okay, so he is already in the first step. So how many steps he need to go down? He need to go down 8 steps. Alright. So now how will he go? In step 1, what will he do? Step 1, how many he is climbing? He is going for plus 3 and he is going back minus 2. So he has climbed 1 step. Okay. So now how many steps he is climbing? So total steps I will write here. Okay. 1. In step 2, what he is doing? He is again going 3 steps down and going back 2 steps. It is 1. So now he has climbed down 2 steps. Now step 3, what he will do? He will again go down 3 steps, move up 2 steps. So he is climbing 3 steps. Step 4, what he will do? Again plus 3 minus 2, 1. He is going 4 steps. Step 5, what he will do? Plus 3 minus 2. So he will go 5 steps. Step 6, plus 3 minus 2. So he is going plus 3. See, if he goes plus 3 steps, and he need not do this minus 2, because with this plus 3 he would have reached the 8th step. So totally how many steps he is taking? He is taking 6 steps. Okay. Next it says after drinking water, when he is going up, so he is moving up 4 steps and then back 2 steps. Okay, so now for the first case, what is happening? In the first step, he is moving 4 steps and going back 2 steps. So totally he is moving 2 steps. Second, from these 2 steps, he is again from this second step, he is moving 4 steps, which is 6, and then he is slipping down 2 steps. So this is equal to 4. You can represent it in this format as well. That is why I am writing in this format. So now he is in the 4th step, and if he climbs 4 more steps, he comes to the 8th step. So he has climbed in this format. Last question says you need to represent these in the form of addition. So what did we do in the first option? First option we did 3 minus 2, again a plus 3, minus 2, again 3 minus 2. So how many times we did? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we added a 3, right? And for the next one, what did we do? For moving down, what did we do? 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4. So that is what is your answer. So thank you. That's the end of this chapter. Hope you have enjoyed it.